as a certified trainer, you will make a lot more money when you learn how to sell more effectively. Regardless of what you're selling, when you learn how to sell more effectively, you're going to make more sales. You're going to make more money. It's not rocket science. Really simple. And on this page, again, if you don't have anything to market or you're not satisfied with the income you're earning, no matter what you're selling, you can offer our services. And again, we have services for 2 different niches. I'm sure you learn more about those on the other pages on the site. Again, we have a service for the home-based business niche, and we also have a service for the traditional business niche. Now, we have several different income scenarios on this page. And our disclaimer, of course, is that these are not in any way, shape, or form a guarantee of income. They're simply examples. Examples to show you the unique power of our very private income plan, and also the power and the value of the services that we have to offer. So again, no guarantee, but again, to show you the potential. And again, you can learn how, with just one simple strategy that we offer, you can easily earn a $500 per month residual income quickly and easily. Now, in order to do that, you must have an effective, proven sales system. And an effective, proven sales system consists of the ability to get a lot more people to take a look at what you're offering, the ability to automatically follow up with them so they have a lot more exposure to your products and your service, the ability to convey high perceived value for what you have to offer, and then the ability, to, of course, to have legitimate, and that's a key word, legitimate urgency so that people are motivated to act now. Now, in contrast to that, what most people have is what I like to call a hope sales system. Now, what do I mean by a hope sales system? Well, it's I hope that I make a sale, right? But instead, an effective, proven sales system has certain components, and we teach you how to do that, and we provide that for you, for those of you, again, that want to market our services. Now, again, just one of our services for the home-based business niche is called the Free Lead System Forever. And as a certified trainer, what you can do is you can give away the Free Lead System Forever to virtually anyone, and they can literally keep it free forever. So they're not going to have it for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and then have to pay a monthly fee, or else they lose it. They literally can keep the Free Lead System forever. And what many people call as the genius of the Free Lead System Forever is the very thing that generates leads for people using the Free Lead System Forever is when they share it with others, who share it with others, who share it with others, because those people want to generate leads, and they share it with people, and they want to generate leads, and so on and so forth. And what that can do is get a lot of people learning about and using the Free Lead System Forever. Now, anyone that upgrades to our paid membership, which is just $29.97 a month, you as a certified trainer are going to get $10 every single month, not just from anyone you introduce this to, but anyone they share it with, and anyone they share it with, and so on and so on and so forth to infinity. That's huge. And the only reason we can do that is because we have a very private affiliate program, which literally came about through prayer. I asked the Lord in prayer to show me a way how we can compensate people far greater than anything I've ever seen. Now, in addition to that, you can leverage other people to market the Free Lead System Forever for you. These people are known as affiliates, and as a certified trainer, you're going to get 50 of them. There's a default standard price of a one-time fee of just $197 for someone to become an affiliate to market the Free Lead System Forever, and you get to keep 100% of that $197 fee. Now, you can even raise that fee or lower that fee. Many reasons why you might want to do that, and we have all the automation for that. But let's just say you offer it at our standard one-time fee of $197. You have 50 affiliates. You keep 100% of that. It goes to you immediately. That's close to $10,000 on the upfront fee. Now, in addition to that, you also can leverage those 50 affiliates to be offering the Free Lead System Forever to people they know. And you're going to get a $5 override every single month for every paid member underneath every one of your 50 affiliates. You can do the math. Again, you can see examples on this page. The potential is huge. Now, in addition, our service for traditional businesses is called the Instant Sales System. It has a very small one-time upfront fee of $197 and then a small monthly fee of $29.97 a month. As a certified trainer, you get to keep all 100% of the one-time upfront fee of $197 when a small business owner purchases the instant sales system. Now, in addition, again, as a certified trainer, you can leverage other people known as sales reps, and you can have unlimited sales reps. You don't have to ask them for any money ever because there's no cost to be a sales rep. And they can market the instant sales system for you. And you get to decide how much of that one-time upfront fee of $197 goes to each sales rep. And you can even change that price on a sales rep by sales rep basis. When you see all the automation we have in place with our system, you'll be blown away. Now, let's say you want to offer $100 out of that $197 upfront, one-time upfront fee to a small business owner, to a particular sales rep. You're going to keep the $97 difference. If you want to offer $150 to sales rep person A, you're going to keep the $47 difference on the upfront. You want to offer $197 to that sales rep person C, and so they get all of it. They're highly motivated to go out and sell. You don't keep any on the upfront. However, that sales rep gets zero on the $29.97 monthly fee paid by that member to use the instant sales system, and you get $10 per month for every small business owner using the instant sales system. And we even have a Refer 3, and it's free for traditional businesses as well as for the Free Lead System Forever, so that members using our service are highly motivated to go out and share our service with others, which makes sales so much easier for your sales reps, so much easier for yourself, and so you make a lot more residual. Check out the details on this page. I'm sure you'll be so amazed at the income potential. Again, you can do the math. If you just got one sales rep just getting one small business owner per month, at the end of the year, what would that be worth to you based on your one-time fee? Now, it gets better than that, because when you refer us other certified trainers, instead of us going out spending our advertising dollars and our marketing dollars and our time, we're going to give you a one-time $1,000 bonus. Plus, you'll earn income as well off of that person's effort. So let's say you refer us Joe. Joe sees this website that you're looking at right now, sees the tremendous value becoming a certified trainer. We're going to give you $1,000 when Joe becomes a certified trainer. When Joe goes out and refers, let's say, Sally to become a certified trainer, you're also going to receive another $1,000 one-time upfront bonus on Sally becoming a certified trainer. So check out this page. You'll see what a huge potential there exists for you. Again, even if you don't want to market our services, which is purely optional, you will definitely learn how to sell a lot more effectively whatever you're selling, so that you're going to make more money. And again, if you want to offer our services, you'll see there's a huge potential there. Check it out. I'm sure you'll be glad you did. Then go over to our Get Started page and become a certified trainer now. Why? Why do you want to do it right now? Because literally, when you can introduce this to other people where they can be affiliates underneath you, marketing the Free Lead System Forever, get other people to be sales reps, you can earn a huge income from them, and you want to do that before someone else introduces our service to them, so that they're making money for somebody else instead of for you. Check it out. Get started soon. You'll be glad you did.